Don't be poor. Don't be poor. Make up your mind. I will not be poor. Now, there are those who say,
hi lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Let's make this yummy tomato stew. Okay, first of all, I'll be marinating my meat. Okay, the meat is soft chicken, so I want to marinate it so that the spices will go inside the chicken before I will start cooking it proper. Okay, so I'm spicing it with curry, thyme, salt, nut cube, and mixed spices. Okay, you can spice just with any spices of your choice, and I left mine for 1 hour. You can leave yours for more than 1 hour, or cook it immediately. It depends on your choice. Okay, then after marinating it, I start cooking the meat proper, the chicken, before making the stew. Okay, please let me, if you guys to watch it to the end. There is a lot of noise in the background because of kids. Do enjoy the video to the end. Okay, shout out to all my newest subscribers. You guys are welcome. To my OGs, my return subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the comments, shares. I so much appreciate it. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. Please click on the subscribe button. Subscription is free. It doesn't cost anything. It's absolutely free. Subscribe and then turn on the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Also, like, comment, and share to your family and friends. Please like the video. Okay, clicking the like button doesn't cost anything. It's absolutely free. Please click the like button. Okay, do enjoy the video. You can also join my membership. Okay, I'm a part of this beautiful family. Let me let you guys to watch the video. Okay. So remember, I didn't add onion. Okay, while marinating the chicken. So now I'm adding onion to cook the stew proper, and I won't add water. Okay, till after 15 minutes. Okay.